Is your Gmail storage full? You keep deleting emails, but nothing changes? Stop doing that. Here's a hidden trick that can free up gigabytes of storage instantly. First, open the Play Store app. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Manage Apps and Device. Next, tap Manage. Now press this device and change it to Not Installed. You'll now see all the apps you've previously installed but no longer use. Surprisingly, some of them can still take up storage linked to your account. Select the apps you don't need anymore. Then tap the trash icon in the top right corner and confirm the removal. Once you're done, go back and open Gmail. You should notice that the storage full warning is gone or reduced. If this trick helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next video.